Why crunches don't work in perimenopause. Why crunches won't help your perimenopause belly and what will. You're doing the workouts, you're eating well, but that lower stomach isn't shifting at all. You've been told it's your age, your hormones, your metabolism. You've been told do more core work, more crunches, more planks, but here's what fitness advice misses, especially in midlife. If your core can't function properly under pressure, doesn't matter how many ab workouts you do, because it's not about burning fat, it's about restoring function. Crunches, planks, and sit-ups target superficial muscle. And very often it's your hips and your back taking the strain, not your abs. And what we need in perimenopause and beyond is deeper than that. So as estrogen declines, so does collagen. That's the stuff that keeps your connective tissues resilient, elastic. Your linear elbow, your fascia, your abdominal wall, they all respond to this hormonal shift. If you've had abdominal separation after pregnancy, that's diastasis recti, or if your posture or your breath or your pelvic floor were never rehabbed properly, however long ago childbirth may have been, then core dysfunction is what you're seeing, and it's your body telling you it needs a little more support. You see, your core isn't just your abs. It's a coordinated system. Your diaphragm, pelvic floor, deep abdominal muscles, and spine, all working to manage pressure and movement. If your ribs are flared out, if your pelvis is tucked under, or if you hold your breath while you move, then pressure gets trapped. And it often pushes out, right where you see that bulge. This is not about aesthetics. This is about pressure management, muscle coordination, and restoring control from the inside out. So what works? Well, instead of chasing fat burn, the goal is core reconnection. What does that mean? It means learning to breathe diaphragmatically so that your deep core muscles activate naturally. It means rebuilding posture and movement patterns to distribute pressure more evenly. Gently retraining the whole system so it supports you and isn't straining or bracing against you. You're not broken, you're not out of sync, this is not inevitable. All of this can change. You see, as hormone levels shift, so does the way your body responds to load and to stress. And that's why the workouts that used to work might suddenly feel ineffective or even uncomfortable. Many in midlife medicine highlight the importance of pelvic health, muscle mass maintenance, and resistance to pressure as key health indicators during perimenopause and menopause. And none of that happens by just smashing your core with more crunches and planks. You don't need a flatter stomach, you need a functional one that holds you tall, lets you laugh without leaking, and feels strong from the inside. MUTU is where that starts. Evidence-based, pressure-smart, not just movement, but reconnection. The link's below. If you're ready to rebuild your core for real, then sign up for a 10-day free trial of MUTU. No risk, cancel any time in your trial, and you get a chance to really see if this is for you. For your strength, for your comfort, for your confidence, now and for the long term. Now, if this helped shift your thinking, please pass it on and share. And if you're ready for more, MUTU's here whenever you are.